Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to add accounts to the Quicken Mobile App so you can manage your money on the go with ease. Quicken is a personal finance management software that helps individuals track their spending, create budgets, manage bills, and monitor investments. Follow this video step by step to add accounts on Quicken Mobile. First of all, before adding accounts on mobile, open Quicken on your desktop. Quicken Mobile syncs with your desktop version, so all accounts must be added there first. Next, go to Tools, Add Account and choose the type of account: bank, credit card, investment, or loan. Enter your login credentials, and Quicken will connect to your financial institution. Once added, make sure the account is selected to sync with mobile. Then go to Edit Preferences, Mobile and Web, and ensure syncing is enabled. Select the account you want available on mobile, then click Sync Now. Now, open the Quicken Mobile app and sign in with your Quicken ID. The synced accounts will automatically appear, and that's it. Your accounts are now ready in the Quicken Mobile app. Thanks for watching.